In this video, you'll learn how to add insurance to your shipping options on eBay. By following these steps, you will effectively protect both yourself and your buyers during the shipping process. Start by logging into your eBay seller account. Once logged in, either create a new listing or choose to edit an existing one. To do this, navigate to the Sell section where you can find your active listings. When you are in the listing form, locate the shipping section. This area allows you to select various shipping services and delivery options, which is essential for adding insurance. Make sure you've prepared the shipping details for the item you are. Next, you need to select a shipping service that provides insurance coverage for packages. Many carriers offer optional insurance that protects items from being lost or damaged during transit. Review the list of available shipping options. Choose the carrier that best suits your needs, ensuring that it includes insurance coverage. It is important to select an appropriate coverage amount that reflects the value of the item you are selling. Some shipping methods may automatically include basic coverage, so be sure to check these details carefully. After you have selected a shipping service that includes insurance, take a moment to review your listing details once more. This is crucial to ensure the insurance option and the associated shipping cost are correctly displayed. If everything appears accurate, proceed to save or publish the listing. By doing this, the shipping information, including the insurance coverage, will be visible to potential buyers. This extra layer of protection is essential for a smooth transaction. Keep in mind that if you are dealing with larger or more valuable items, the insurance costs may vary based on the coverage selected. Additionally, verify that your shipping settings align with your overall selling strategy, as this can impact your listing's attractiveness to buyers. If you encounter any errors or issues, double check your selections to ensure accuracy. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.